With the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
WMOV-FM HD Norfolk, moving 107.7. Download the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts.
has been issued for Beaufort County, Martin County, Pitt County, and Washington County, effective until 9:29 p.m. County, southeastern Lunenburg County, southeastern Memphis County, Nottoway County, western Virginia, western Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Emporia in southeastern Virginia, until 12:15 a.m. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Petersburg, Dinwiddie, Hopewell, Colonial Heights, Emporia, Blackstone, Lawrenceville, Garysburg, McKinney, Broadnex, Purdy, Medboro, Virginia State will experience flash flooding include Petersburg, Dinwiddie, Prince George, Brunswick, Gaston, and Jarrett. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood decks occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Brunswick, Chesterfield, Dinwiddie, Greensville, Lunenburg, Mecklenburg, Nottoway, Prince George, and Sussex, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Colonial.
In Virginia, Amelia, Brunswick, Chesterfield, Dinwiddie, Greensville, Lunenburg, Mecklenburg, Nottoway, Prince George, and Sussex, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Colonial.
Expected. Where portions of northeast North Carolina and east central, eastern and southeast Virginia. Wet. Widespread
Sounds good.
Virginia, southwestern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, southwestern Prince George County, western Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Dinwiddie County, southeastern Brunswick County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Brunswick, or 10 miles south of Lawrenceville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near radium around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pretty around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Jared around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stony Creek around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sussex around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adams Grove, Grizzard, Gum Forks, Bufford Crossroads, Lanes Corner, Luker, Yale, Pleasant Shade, Henrico, and Bryant's Corner. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern North Carolina and south central and southeastern Virginia. Issued at 5:50. Tornado watch number 7 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in North Carolina: Camden, Turlock, Pasquotank, and Perquimans, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Norfolk, Macomb, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 7 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in North Carolina: Camden, Currituck, Pasquotank, and Perquimans, and the following independent cities in Virginia.
Issued at 7:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Doubleheader.
And close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following county: Perquimans, North Carolina.
Miles of coastal waters from North Carolina, they border to Currituck Beach, Lake North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. Possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 7 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia; Currituck Sound, Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel; coastal waters from Cape Charles Lake, Virginia to North Carolina, Virginia border, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from North Carolina, Virginia border to North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Now the official.
Warning has been issued for Beaufort County, Craven County, and Pitt County, effective until 7:47 p.m. Thunderstorm warning for eastern Jones County in eastern North Carolina, Craven County in eastern North Carolina, southwestern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, southwestern Pamlico County in eastern North Carolina, southwestern Carteret County in eastern North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Barnwell to near Tuscarora to near Maysville, moving northeast at 115 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Queen County, Middlesex County, northwestern Northumberland County, central Charles City County, Richmond County, Newcastle County,
Wakefield has
Westmoreland
issued a
County,
severe thunderstorm
Southeastern
warning for
William County, northwestern James City County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Essex County, Lancaster County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line
in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Essex County, Lancaster
at 30 miles per hour.
County, Westmoreland County, southeastern King William County, northwestern James City County in southeastern Virginia.
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from there.
County, Middlesex County, northwestern Northumberland County, central Charles City County, Richland County.
7:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Jamaica, Farnham, and Barronville around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tono, Churchview, Maratico, and Shackelford around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rockley is north around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kalaman Landing, Three-Way, Kruger, Wayside, Bell Isle State Park, Rose Garden, Dale, Crouch, and Westmoreland.
Other locations
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. At 7:30 p.m.
page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest. Congress is going to...
So you want Birdie and Heffron?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern North Carolina County.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Bedford County in northeastern North Carolina, Western Gate County in northeastern North Carolina, and
hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts.
7:58 p.m.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near the Husky, Hollander, and Lewiston Woodville around 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whitney and Cofield around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Howellsville around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Roduco around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gatesville and Gates around 8:20
Cofield around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Howellsville around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
8:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms.
8:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Harrodsville around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Culver around 8:30
and Topsy.
Standard Time.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern North Carolina.
Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern North Carolina. p.m. Standard Time. Roduco around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gatesville and Gates around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Harrodsville around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Culver around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in Calling 757-899-2415. Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern North Carolina. A tornado warning has been issued for Craven County and Jones County, effective until 8:33 p.m.
Williamsburg and Jamestown.
Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9.
Your terrace, Harvard Northwest, the winds, thunderstorms around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Newport News and
Issued at 8:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for Charles City County, Central New Kent County, Eastern Prince George County, Northwestern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, Northeastern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia until 2:15 a.m. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern.
Issued at 8:20.
Heavy rain across the Warren area. 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall on the west. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain.
First out.
Highways, streets, underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Issued at 8:20.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Kent, Charles City, Waverly, Claremont, Pittsburgh, Headland, Rouseville, Cabin Point, Garysville, Rooseville, Rustic, Atkins Store, Holta,
Expected to begin shortly.
Taylor's Corner, Oakville Corner, Fayette, Newhook, and Springville.
All amounts of 1 to 2 inches.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Flooding of small creeks and streams.
Yes, to current vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to
Which are possible in the Warren area.
Repeating, a flash warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties. In Virginia, Charles City, New Kent, Prince George, Surrey, and Sussex.
Providence Forge. Streets and low-lying areas. Some locations.
Last year.
Newhook and Spring Road. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious.
Try.
What do we have there? Anonymous fuel. And it's for me.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Kerrigan County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Chewan County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Canton County in northeastern North Carolina,
Thunderstorm warning for
County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Pricklands County in northeastern North Carolina.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bertie County.
In southeastern Virginia, the southern city of Newport southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth in southeastern Virginia,
Carolina, the city of
in southeastern Virginia, the North
Virginia, the city of Chesapeake and Virginia, the city of Hampton in southeast
8:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms
of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth, Chesapeake and southeast, the city of Hampton, southeastern Virginia. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located.
impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gatesville, Suffolk, Gates, Coleraine, Harrodsville, Rocky Hawk, and Whaleyville around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Downtown Suffolk, Rillen, Sunbury, Tyner, Valhalla, and Hobbsville around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kings Fork and Core Peak around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Chesapeake, Driver, and Belvedere around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Portsmouth, Bowers Hill, and Crittenden around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Old Dominion University, Norfolk, and Braddock around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hampton University, downtown Norfolk. The National Weather Service in Wake,
8:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kirkland and Western Branch around 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Newport News, Deep Creek, Old Dominion University, Norfolk, and Craddock around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hampton University, downtown Norfolk. Let's skip.
Seems to me.
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Here we go again. What was that? Oh, let's go.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pasquotank County in northeastern North Carolina, Camden County in northeastern North Carolina, Fort Clemens County in northeastern North Carolina. County. National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued County in northeastern North Carolina. Southeastern city of Chesapeake and southeastern Virginia, the southeastern city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia until 10 p.m.
9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Camden around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weeksville, Whitehall Shores, and
60 miles per hour. Elizabeth City State University. Weeks, hours, and morning. PM Eastern Standard Time. Craddock.
other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Poplar Branch, Pierceville, Spot, Parkville, Jacob.
9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Grandy and Toronto. Eastern Standard Time.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415. Hosting to
Cost. For your protection, move to an interior.
WS Wheatfield. A tornado watch remains in effect until
415.
North Carolina in southeastern Virginia.
Issued at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern North Carolina and southeastern Virginia.
Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page.
Issued at 9:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield. James City County in southeastern Virginia. York County in southeastern Virginia. Hampton in southeastern Virginia. Newport News in southeastern Virginia. The city of Pocosin in southeastern Virginia.
Issued at 9:04 p.m.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Issued at 9:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and low-lying areas. In the warned area,
University, Norge, Tuna, Langley Air Force Base, Hampton University.
flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways. 2 inches are possible.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize.
Norge,
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday.
Gloucester,
Charles City, James City.
some locations. Flash flooding recognized the
Port News.
the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties. In Virginia, Charles City, Newport News, Pocosin, and Williamsburg. In Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Snug Harbor to near Lowend, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Slade,ville, Kilkenny, Ponzer. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, Newfoundland, Scuppernong, and Fort Landing. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for eastern North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for eastern North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina. radar.
Flooding include Virginia Beach, Great Ridge, Regent University, Kempsville, Virginia Wesleyan University, Norfolk State University.
Issued at 9:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Beach, Great Ridge. University has rain across the Warren area.
Craddock and Norfolk International.
Some locations that will turn around. Flash flood. Great Ridge.
Just to get
Flood depths occur in vehicles.
Princess.
Be especially
Flooding of small creeks.
when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Flash flooding include
A flash flood warning has been issued until
streets and underpass flooded with Suffolk, Ventress Field, Princess Inn,
Virginia,
Craddock, and
Chesapeake,
Norfolk
Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach.
until 3:50 buses as well as other Wednesday. Watches at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following independent cities in Virginia, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach.
National Weather Service All Hazards Weather Radio, KHP7, broadcasting from Wayne, Virginia.
Cities in Virginia, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach.
The following information is for Hampton Roads in northeast North Carolina, the southern part of the Chesapeake Bay and adjacent coastal waters. 44 p.m. Tornado.
Portsmouth and Virginia Beach. Issued at 9:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain.
The city of Chesapeake and southeastern Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth, the city of Virginia Beach, till 3:50. At 9:23 p.m. Eastern Standard, rain across up to 1.5 inches. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. All creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Virginia Beach, Great Ridge, Regent University, Kempsville, Virginia Wesleyan University, Norfolk State University, downtown Norfolk, downtown Portsmouth, Deep Creek, Old Dominion University, Ocean View, Kirkland, Norfolk, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Ventress Field, Princess Inn, Craddock, and Norfolk International. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following independent cities in Virginia, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach.
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dare County in eastern North Carolina until 10:45 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Old Trap to 12 miles northwest of Avon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pugable Hills, Southern Shores, Nags Head, Manteo, Collington, Sanderling, Duckco Pier, Roanoke Island Festival Park, Jockey's Ridge State Park, Wright Brothers National Monument, Body Island Lighthouse, and Avalon Pier. The tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for eastern North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for eastern North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:40